In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Linux within Windows 10 using the Windows subsystem for Linux. First thing you're going to need to do, right mouse click the Start menu, open a Windows PowerShell for admin, then we need to type the following command, or you can cut and paste it from the description of this video. Press enter. You will need to restart Windows 10. Type Y, then enter. Now once Windows 10 has rebooted, there are a few ways that you can install your favourite Linux distribution. The two main ways, which I'm going to show you now, that I recommend is, first of all, the first method is using the Windows PowerShell. Again, you need to right mouse click the Start menu, click Windows PowerShell Admin. Then you can either paste the following command, you can copy it from the description of this video, or you can type it in manually. The only thing you would need to do from this example is if you wanted to install Ubuntu 18.04, you would just change the 6 to an 8 and then press enter. But the easiest way by far to install your favorite Linux distribution is to use the Microsoft Store. So we click the Microsoft Store icon, which should be on your taskbar. We then click search, and I want to install Ubuntu, so I'm just going to type in Ubuntu. I want the 18.04 version. To show you as well that there are actually other distributions that you can use, so you're not limited to my recommendation. We've got Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, SUSE Linux, Debian and Kali. So coming back to the version of Linux that I want to install, which is Ubuntu version 18.04, I just click install. Once it's installed, just click the launch button. I'm going to close down Microsoft Store in the background there. So now we're going to enter a username. Password. So now we've got our Linux command line set up. Let's try some basic commands. Let's try the dig command as well while we're here. And finally, so as you can see, it works exactly the same way as it would if you were running it from within the Linux desktop environment, but now we can run it from within Windows 10. One last thing before we wrap up this video. If you experience any problems at all, any error messages while installing the Windows subsystem for Linux, I recommend that you visit the Windows Subsystem for Linux troubleshooting page. The link is on your screen now and will also be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button.